Buddy, on today's show, pink lemonade chicken. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a good one. We got our lemons, got our garlic, got our olive oil. We got our chicken in the bag with the lemon and the garlic oil, salt and pepper, basil. Spice it up. Get your barbecue going, about 400 degrees. What I took the barbecue breast and coated it with pink lemonade mix. Mix it up on there, coat it on both sides. Look at that. Put it on your grill. Nice. You can actually smell the flavor of the pink lemonade powder. That's some good eatins. This dish is I take the olive oil, I put it in with the lemon. Just mix it up a little bit. Throw some salt and pepper on there. Just put it on the grill. That flavor. Pink lemonade chicken. Now that's some good eatins. Alright, it's probably been about 6-7 minutes. I'm just going to turn it over. Oh yeah, look at all that flavor. There you have it, pink lemonade chicken. That's some good eatins. To the next episode. I'm the Hungry Piney. Lemonade chicken, you actually taste the pink lemonade and the lemon inside because it was marinating for 4 or 5 hours in the lemon juice. Very important, make sure you marinate it for 4 or 5 hours.